Guess what I am? 5 pounds stronger. Let's talk about 5 pounds stronger, the 90-day commitment that I made coming to its completion. And it's so interesting because it feels like a beginning. It doesn't feel like an end to me. So one of the beautiful things that's been about 5 pounds stronger is the 90 days that we have taken to focus on this one thing has affected all the things, has affected how I show up in every single other area of my life. And so whether you took this 90 days to put on muscle, which I know a lot of you did, that's not even the most important piece of it, right? The most important piece of it is, what did you learn along the way?
Hey, what's up, you all? I haven't lifted weights in a long time. It'll be fun to watch this before and then 90 days later to see what changes in the muscle on my body and also in the weight that I can lift. So workout day one, let's get it.
Something that took so much effort in the beginning is now just part of my everyday life. And I think that's the key too. We're like, hey, I want this result in my life. This is how I'm going to get it. We start doing it and we think, oh my God, this is so hard. It's always going to be this hard.
My body hurts. As I was driving home from the gym, I thought about, this is only, I'm not even done with week 1. 90 days seems daunting to me. Eating so much food seems daunting. Letting my body get bigger seems daunting. All of the things.
The very first 2 weeks of any goal that you have for yourself, whether it's making money or losing weight or gaining muscle or whatever, is going to be the hardest because your brain will resist anything new. And one of the things that I've learned going through this process for myself personally and sharing with you and hearing back is that it's brought up a lot of things. It's brought up a lot of challenging thoughts and feelings and disappointments and opportunities is what I'm going to say. And if you've heard me talk about goal setting before, if you've heard me talk about creating a goal for yourself that brings up your garbage to work through it so you can then accomplish bigger and better things, you know that that's why we do these things. That's why we try to add 5 pounds to our bodies or $1 million to our bank account. Is not necessarily because it's so important to have 5 pounds more of muscle or it's so important to have so much more money, but it's important to keep growing and evolving and recognizing what are the thoughts and feelings, what are the belief systems, what is the unconscious programming that you have within your own life that may be preventing you from moving forward in other areas of your life. Today is exactly halfway through. I have put on muscle. I'm going to go in and get my scan today, and they will tell me how much muscle. We're going in. Yeah. All right, here we go. Pick the goal and make it simple. For me, it was like, here's the thing. Go to the gym 6 days a week, period. Non-negotiable. Every other day, cardio and lifting weights. Here's the exact program that you're going to do. When you are disciplined, like with your money, with your food, with your body, like your life is so much better. Like I think discipline is one of the coolest things that any of us have as a tool at our disposal, right? It's just looking at your calendar and then at the end of the day, just being like, I did that and now I get to enjoy the result of that. And so that's one of the things that like a 90-day program like this creates. It just creates you building goodwill with your future self. I think the biggest like lesson of all of this, right, is as soon as it gets hard, that's when we stop doing the work. But as soon as it gets hard is where all of the magic is. All the growth is, all the evolution is, all the opportunity for you to see what you're made of. This is where the magic is for you, because if you can overcome that, then you apply that to the rest of your life.
Today is day 91. I completed the 90 days. Setting big goals for yourself is the answer to growth. And even if there's failure in there, and even if there's setbacks, and even if there's strategic byproducts of pain, it's worth it to keep going after everything that is in your heart that you dream of. This has been something that I saw as a nuisance, as a health issue, as a bone density issue that I needed to take care of, that turned out to be an evolution of my mind and soul too.
Congratulations on everyone who gained 5 pounds of muscle. It's amazing. All of you who lost weight, super inspiring to hear all of your stories. 5 pounds stronger, my friends. I'm so excited.